Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a new DAX measure by using the certain dimension conditions. So this is my query where I build the DAX query using the summarize column functions and having a couple of dimension columns, gender and color. And then I filter out the data only for 2013. And then I'm taking my derived total internet sales. Okay, if I execute this query, I'm getting the data in here. You can see in the bottom. Now, my requirement is I want to, uplift these internet sales by 10%, where my gender equals to female. Okay, now let's do it. How we can do that? Okay, so I'm going to create a new measure here, saying that derived sales, and then so I'll use SumX function, and then I'll map my internet sales table, and then I'll start writing the if condition. Okay, in DAX, this is the statement we can use to control the some of the data sets. Right now, normally how we do the if else statement, right? Same way you can do it in DAX query using the if function. So my requirement is if uh, related my customer gender equals to F, I want to uplift my internet sales. So this is my internet sales. I'll copy this measure and then uplift by 10%, multiply with 0.10. Otherwise, display my derived internet sales as it is. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to execute this statement. It's throwing the error. It's throwing the error based on zip of left. Okay, incorrect. Okay, it seems somewhere there is a bracket issue. I think here we didn't close the bracket for the related function. Now just execute. Okay, so now this time we're getting another error. What is the error? Yeah, overall bracket. We didn't close the overall bracket at summarize column level. Right, so now you got the data. The new measure got created here called derived sales. Now we'll quickly check it. So here I have one row. Second row is the female row where my original value is this 205052, and then multiply that with 10%. Okay, yeah, you can see here the decimal position is shifted. You can notice here. Okay, so in this row, the decimal position was after 2. Now the decimal position was shifted to before 2. So that means it's multiplying the 0.10. Okay, so now here I used only one condition. Now if I want to use the extra condition, additional condition, you can do that. So by adding the AND, which is nothing but the AND operators, two AND operators. Now what I'll do this time, I'm going to use the product color filter. Now this time my product color is red, right? And here I use related, and then close the bracket. Now what I'm saying here, my gender should be female and color should be red, then apply the 10% to my total sales. Now if I execute this statement, now let's see. So here I have a female, and then right, you can see the values are changed, and if you look at other places, the values didn't change. Okay, so this is how you can use the if statement, and then you can derive your new measure based on the dimension attributes. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video with a different topic. Thank you.